the Viper's all loaded up. She's ready to go to the new home. Hey everyone, it's Teddy with Teddy's Automotive. We're going to pick up a 1995 Dodge Viper RT10 in Florida. We are in South Texas, so good long drive. Right now we're in Houston in traffic, doing about 5 miles an hour. So I was looking at a Dodge Viper in Cocoa Beach, Florida. Contacted the guy, told him I wanted it. He kind of kept me on the line a little bit before telling me that he had someone else that was buying it. So I was sad. I wasn't going to get the damn Viper. Guy messages me 2 weeks later. Sale fell through. I guess somebody couldn't afford the Viper. They tried to lowball him. He didn't take it. I am in some serious traffic right now. Just putting away at about 5 miles an hour. On my way to pick it up in Florida. So yeah, he tells me the guy lowballed him. I said, well, I don't want to lowball you. You got it low enough. Viper doesn't run. Needs some paint work. Got a lot of nice custom touches. Has the removable hardtop. It's a 95 RT10, so soft tops, hate them. But it's got a real nice removable hardtop on it. Windows, custom hood. Overall, really nice Viper. He's got the interior reupholstered. I'll put some pictures up so you can see. But look forward to sharing this first YouTube experience, starting out with a awesome American exotic. Stay tuned. On the way to pick up the old Dodge Viper from Florida. Excited to find out what's wrong with it and see what kind of content I can create for my millions of viewers. Alright, the Viper's all loaded up. She's ready to go to the new home. Look how wide these tires are. Back in beautiful Rockport. Must have had some storming, so the water's not too beautiful today, but it normally is. Viper is still on the trailer, thank God. And I'll start getting to work on it. Hopefully tomorrow, but I got a lot of customers I got to take care of first, so maybe not. Maybe I'll just go in early and work on the Viper. Looks like I have a stupid eye when I have the camera down here. I keep it up here. Yep, that works. Look, can you park there? I bet you can park there. That looks like a parking area.